simultaneous equations 2. So what you'll notice different about these equations is that the coefficients of s and e are all different. So I need to add in an extra step when trying to solve these. So let's solve them. Step 1, label. Step 2, multiply one of the equations so that the letters, the coefficients of one of the letters are the same for both equations. So I'm going to multiply equation 2 by 4. So let's do that. 3s times 4 is 12s. Negative e times 4 is negative 4e. And 1 times 4 is 4. So now you'll notice that I've got a positive 4e and a negative 4e. So now I can add them together and it will eliminate the e's. Let's just write out equation 1 again and add them up. 12s add 5s is 17s. 4e, negative 4e add 4e disappears. It's been eliminated as we'd want. 4 times 13 is 17. 17s equals 17. Divide by 17, we get s equals what? So we're now up to step 5, sub answer into the other equation. So let's sub that into equation 2. So s equals 1, so that's going to be 3s, so 3 times 1 minus e is equal to 1. So that's 3 take away e is equal to 1. So let's take away 3 from both sides, and I'm left with minus e is equal to minus 2. Times everything by negative 1, we get e equals 2. Now let's check that they are correct, so let's put e equals 2 and s equals 1 into the equation I haven't used, and that's equation 1. So it's going to be 5s, so 5 times 1 plus 4e, so 4 times 2. It's going to be 5 plus 8, so that is 13, which is what I was looking for. So lastly, just write out my answer, so I know that e equals 2 and s equals 1.